So
No.
for,
Oh no. Stop.
no?
I'm gonna start
So,
over.
what are we doing here?
You're gonna stop talking and let me start.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Fit check.
Oh, really?
Oh,
You're going to
Dennis.
go that route?
What are you wearing today?
I have no clue. You dressed me.
So we're talking an embarkation day fashion. If you're gonna say fashion, who knows? What's comfortable? What looks good? Are you gonna have your luggage for dinner? Are you going to dinner like that? Are you gonna be sweaty? Are you gonna be hot? Are you gonna go to the pool? Who knows? It's embarkation day. So we've done enough cruises now that we kind of figured it out. We're not experts. We figured it out. So how do we dress on embarkation day?
I'm not quite sure. You dressed me this time.
I did dress him. So he looks kind of nice. He's got linen shorts on, a linen top, a t-shirt, wore his Hey Dudes. Pretty comfortable, pretty nice. Same for me though. I've got a nice linen top. This actually is linen, it's cotton. Little tank top. I've got linen shorts, some nice sandals. Gives you something that if you don't have luggage and you're wearing to dinner tonight, you're still gonna look okay. No one really cares that much on embarkation day. It's like the one day that hopefully you don't get judged, because there's people. There's always people that are gonna be
I'm
judged.
totally judging.
Dennis
Everybody.
judges. But who cares? You're on a cruise. You're on vacation. Have fun with it. But
I'm
big
judging
thing:
you right now.
be comfortable. Dress in layers. It's gonna be sunny. You don't know if you
Wait,
have your sun.
layers?
Yeah.
We're in freaking Miami. I got sunburned yesterday coming down here from Cleveland. You're saying dress in layers?
Yes,
That's how we
'cause-
dress at home.
Girls like me get cold, so I dress in layers. Anyway, be comfortable. Do what you got to do. That's how we've done it. We've done enough cruises. We kind of know what we're gonna wear. Comfortable shoes. Comfortable shoes.
Okay, and if you see me on the ship, just one thing. My wife trusts me.
Perfect. All right, back. Quick little video here. Obviously, if you're on our channel, you know we cruise all the time, right? Not a big deal. Do it all the time, but maybe you didn't. Maybe this is your first cruise. So one of the things that I was going to kind of talk about is embarkation day. It's hectic. We know what it is. You're going to be around. You don't really know when your luggage is going to come. What do you wear? So this is what I wear for embarkation day. I've got some nice shorts on. I've got a shirt. I dress in layers because you don't know if it's going to be hot, if it's going to be cold. Are you going to get in the sun? Do you have your sunblock? I don't know. Also, back image, comfortable shoes. You're going to wear some comfortable shoes. What I also like to do, though, just so you know, is I like to dress to a level that I won't be embarrassed if I go to dinner dressed like. You can always go to the buffet. You can always dress however you want. And no one really cares how you dress anyway. If people judge, you do you. With that said, we like to dress for dinner. So I always like to have something just in case my luggage doesn't come, then I'm going to be okay for dinner. So that's kind of like what I did this time. I've got linen shorts on. I've got a nicer shirt. I got a blouse. Just makes it easy. It's comfortable. I was good all day long, and this is actually what I'm going to wear to dinner tonight, even though we got our luggage. So just a little tip of what to wear on embarkation day.